Welcome to the HSS Hire Startup Guide for the 240 volt electric tip-up mixer. The rotating tilting stand of this mixer allows you to mix up to 85 litres of concrete or mortar. Safety is important to us. We recommend using eye, ear, hand and foot protection along with a dust mask and RCD when using the mixer. For more detailed safety information, please check our operation and safety guide that comes attached to the equipment. To assemble the stand, align the two halves of the stand together. Slot in the stand adapter to hold the two halves together and insert the lock pin to secure the stand. Tip the mixer forward onto its drum and insert the assembled stand into the mixer's base. Lock the base in place using the D-clamp located under the mixer's frame. Take care and raise the mixer back to its upright position. Once in the upright position, unlock the swivel base from the mixer frame using the D-clamp. To reduce the risk of an electric shock, use a suitable RCD. Push the green power switch to turn on the mixer. And that's it. Please check out our other products and videos. If you need any help, our support team are ready to chat to you. Just click the Chat to Us Now button in the bottom right hand corner of the HSS Hire website. Follow us on Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn and Instagram for all the latest products, news and guides. Have a great day.